This, I think, should have like 7 different things. What it says? There's a poem in it. There's an Emily Dickinson poem. That's cute. 6 items, and then they count the tin as a thing. I actually had picked up this Snow Fairy bath bomb, but then when I saw it was in this set, I put it back. So I was so excited about this. Probably in a month, I'm gonna be super tired of Snow Fairy, and you know what? We may never do this again, but also, like, this is incredible. So then I have this Santa Claus bath bomb. I don't know if you can tell, but he has, like, pink, yellow, red. I think this one's gonna be really pretty. I'm gonna be taking so many baths at this point. Then I have a candy cane. Is this a bubble bar or bath bomb? It's a bubble bar. I love bubble bars. If you had to choose, bubble bars, in my opinion, they're a little bit more expensive, but they usually last you a few baths, and I just think they're so good. And I usually have like less struggles with staining my tub. Then, oh my gosh, there is glitter on this. Lots of glitter. But Snow Fairy shower gel. I love this stuff. I know this like looks tiny, but this is gonna last me a few months at least, so that's nice. Then the next thing in this is the salted caramel lip scrub. I have also never tried, well, I tried lip scrubs here, but I've never had a full-size one. So, okay, I'm dead. I'm not gonna stick my finger in it because I have so much glitter on my hands. I just want to sniff it. Oh, whoa, that is salted caramel. So I'm gonna see if my mom wants it. I mean, I like it, but TBD on how I feel about that. The last thing is the salted caramel, not salted caramel. The last thing is the Snow Fairy roll, which is also a bubble bar. I am so excited to use all this though. If you haven't seen the first part, go check that out.